What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here. Welcome back to the channel for another hair product review, and today we're having a look at the Awakening shampoo and conditioner set from Sole Toscana. So if you can't imagine by the name, Sole Toscana is an Italian brand. It means Tuscan sun, in case you were wondering. So these are actually made in Italy. They are distributed from Texas here in the US, but these are plant-derived, natural and organic shampoo and conditioners. So I'll read this little blurb from the company here, basically just describing a little bit about these and how they work. So we have a plant-derived and organic shampoo and conditioner that promote and help to maintain healthy, soft, lustrous hair. We've got botanical cleansers and organic ingredients to wash away product buildup. These are color safe, they're meant for all hair types, and they have some essential oils in there and no synthetic chemicals. These are suitable for regular or daily use, and there are also meant to help kind of moisturize the scalp as well as fortify and strengthen the hair follicles. As far as the packaging on these come in your kind of salon standard size of 8.45 fluid ounces or 250 milliliter plastic bottles with pop tops, and these are coming in at $28 a piece with free shipping. Now, as far as the ingredients on these, they are, they're shampoos and conditioners, so it's a massive list, so I'm not gonna go through the whole thing. They are listed on the website, so I'll link them down below, but we can talk a little bit about the few key ingredients that they've mentioned here. So we have moringa to infuse the hair with protein-building amino acids, cypress to help strengthen the hair follicles and promote fuller, thicker hair, lemon and wild mint to provide antibacterial and antifungal properties to detoxify the scalp and add enriching vitamins to promote shine in the hair. And these are actually built on an aloe base instead of standard water to help promote a healthier scalp. Now, the scent on both of these is listed as a cypress, lemon, and mint essential oil blend. Fucking delicious. Oh, no, I really do love the scent on this. You get that kind of herbiness from the cypress, and then you get that just brightness from the lemon and kind of fruity citrus smell, and there's just that nice kind of cool mint in there. Yeah, the scent is great. And it is, I like that they call them Awakening shampoo and conditioner because it is very like an invigorating scent. So if you're using this in the morning when you're tired as fuck, like I am literally every morning, it does like, it feels great on the scalp, and that smell just kind of helps to wake you up, and it's really kind of invigorating, to be honest with you. Invigorating. So with that being said, we can go straight into the demo footage here so you guys can get an idea of how this worked for me. So we're starting out here with 2 or 3 day old hair that's full of products and oils and basically just looks gross. So we're into the shower, hitting that with a good amount of water, and then of course starting out with the shampoo. So yeah, as I mentioned, it's just really invigorating. There's a nice amount of mint where it's not overpowering and it's not making my scalp feel cold, but it's just, it's a nice sensation. It feels really soothing on the scalp. It has a nice amount of lather to it, and it's just, I don't know, it's just satisfying. And you can definitely feel it breaking up the products, and they rinse away with no issue at all. Then going in with the conditioner, I feel like this one, the scent, it's the same scent, but you can get a little bit more of the fruitiness and a little bit less of the mint. And this one just, again, feels really nice and soothing on the scalp. Leaving that in for a couple of minutes, rinsing it out, and then we're gonna blow dry that bitch, and look at that. Yes! My hair just has a beautiful natural shine. It's bouncy, it's light, it just feels super hydrated and really clean. Yeah, I think it just looks great. And one thing I'll mention as well, I mean, it does say that these are color safe, and me being a person who likes to do vivid colored hair, I have to mention, I saw so little color bleed using these, which is awesome. I mean, normally, especially now with like a dark red color like this in my hair, normally my shower looks like a fucking murder zone. Like there's just red everywhere. And I'll be completely honest with you, using these, there was almost no color bleed at all, which is awesome because that means that my color is gonna last longer, and also it's going to stain my tub less. So yeah, overall thoughts on the Sole Toscana Awakening shampoo and conditioner set. I love these. I think they're great. They work really well for my hair. As I mentioned, nice, totally removes all the product, but it keeps my hair feeling really moisturized and soft and bouncy and shiny. I really like that they do kind of help wake you up in the shower in the morning. The scent is great. And yeah, I really like that whole like color safe, very little bleed type of effect. It's just like a nice bonus for somebody like me. Now, I feel some of you might not like the $28 a piece price tag, but let's be honest here, folks. That's like standard salon pricing for this size bottle and this quality of shampoo and conditioner. And this is one of those things where I firmly believe you get what you pay for, and you only need to use a small amount of this stuff, folks. I mean, I'm talking like a dime size, maybe 2 dime size amounts, depending on how much hair you have. And yeah, just massage it into the scalp, rinse that bitch out. And so they're 8-ounce bottles or 8.5-ounce bottles. They will last you months. So I definitely recommend these if you're in the market for a new shampoo and conditioner. They are awesome, and it's always nice to hear about a new brand, and especially one from Italy. So that does it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this and found it helpful. Please stay tuned to the channel. As always, I have a ton more content coming for you, so if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with everything. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.